Okay, this vibey dance is a great arm workout, but you have to know how to hit it to get it. You'll notice as I'm breaking down the movements how positioning your arm will enhance the workout. The best part about this dance is that your heart rate's going to be nice and high so that you're getting a full body burn. You can find this dance and others like it on our streaming platform at DanceBody Live. You can get the first month for only $5 with our promo code DBYOUTUBE. Okay, let's get ready for the best arm workout ever. Okay, let's get our great arm workout and learn this dance at the same time. We're gonna start this dance by going up, pressing back to the hip, up, pressing other side. So when you go up, you're just gonna kind of pop up your chest, then sit into the right hip, pop, sit into the left hip. So it's up to the right, up to the left, up to the right, up, hold it here. We're gonna go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And you're bringing your hip to your elbow and squeezing your abs every time. That's your intro. You got it, that's the easy stuff. Now let's go to something a little bit more difficult. Your feet are gonna start right together, left together, right together, left together. As you do this, you're gonna jack your other elbow. So the opposite side, you're going the opposite way. This is what we call opposition in dance. Press, bring it together, press, bring it together, press, bring it together, press, bring it together. And I want you to feel like you're hitting that wall. So it's strong, together, strong, together, strong, together, strong. Now we're gonna step to the side. Right, together, left, together, right, together, left, together. And these arms, like you have a beach ball, you're just going over 2 times. So every time you step, you're doing 2 arms. Right, together, left, together, right, together, left, together. I think we got it. All right, now there's this part where you're gonna feel the music kind of release. We're gonna do what I like to call a double hop forward. You're flying it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is kind of like a little skip in place. The arms are doing this nice big slice, and you're gonna feel that in the front of your delt, your shoulder, up and over, up and over, up and over, nice and straight. And on the feet, right side, you're gonna go double tap right, double tap left, double tap right, double tap left. From here, you're gonna step right foot to me, bring it back, left foot to me, bring it back. And that arm is gonna press. So what you wanna see here is you're pressing your palm away. That's gonna activate the back of the arm. You really have to push it. So we're going right together, left together, right together, left together. And that opposite hand is going behind your head. So you really wanna hit that wall, bring it back, hit, bring it back, hit, bring it back, hit, bring it back. From here, you're gonna back it up 4 times. So we're gonna go right together, left together, right together, left together. And you're doing kind of this weird shoulder thing where you're hitting that brick wall again. So 90 degrees on those elbows. I want you to hit the wall, hit the wall, hit the wall, hit the wall. Last thing you're gonna do is press that wall away. So opening up your hands, you're gonna push into the backs of your arms as you press that right heel forward, left heel forward, right heel forward, left heel forward. So that whole part, you get 4 of everything. You're going right side, then left side, right side, then left side. Then your right arm together, turn to the side, pressing that arm. Now we back it up. On the right, together, left, together, right, together. Now right heel forward for 4, for 3, lean it back, for 2, for 1. So everything is very even in this dance. Once you have it, I really want you to start to nail it. Okay. Deep breath. Let's continue on. Now for the verse, you're gonna have those arms overhead, your palms are flexed and facing the ceiling. You're gonna step 2 times. This is kind of what I would call a step chug. So you're gonna step on the right foot, chug that left foot under. So all your weight's on the right, then you land on the left. So you're kind of shifting that weight on the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Really letting that weight land on your heel. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're taking that right foot and you're going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Try it again. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So 2 quick runs. Run it to the right, run it to the left. That foot that is up comes to me, to the side, to the back, 2 hops together. So that is to the front, to the side, to the back, 2 hops together. Let's take it to the left side. Arms are back overhead, but now we're starting on the left foot. We're going step, bring it up, step, bring it up. Your runs, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Step it front and side and back and double hop. I think we got it. Sort of, I know. It takes a second, you guys, to really master this stuff, but once you do, woo, it really gets you. Your heart rate is up, your arms are burning. So again, arms overhead, 1, 2, 3, 4, run, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Take it front, take it side, pressing with that arm, pump it up. Those palms are up right here. Palms overhead, step, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Press it with the arm and the leg at the same time, back and double hop. Now you're gonna see in this dance, there's one part where it breaks, which means we never see it again, just one time, but it's all arms. So let's figure out what that looks like. Holding your arms out to the side, relaxing those shoulders, contracting your back muscles, right? I want you to pretend like you have 2 beach balls under your arms and you're really pressing down into there, so you're activating those muscles. Now right here, flexing those fingertips and the palms of the hands, you go right, left, left, high, low, do that again. Right, left, left, high, low, same rhythms, but this time we're going to grab. Right, left, left. Keep those elbows there. Scoop it under for 2. You are really gonna feel that transverse movement going around those arms. Woo. Grab it to the right, grab it to the left, roll it under for 2, hold it here. Next part, we're going overhead press. Now bring your hips with that arm. So when your arm's going overhead, move those hips with it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, feeling those arms right here. From here, you're gonna do this little like kind of whip motion as you sit into that right hip. The arm is going up to down, hold it here. 2 rolls with that hip. Left side, we go overhead, press, 3, and last 2, and last 1, hold it here. Whip 2 times, then roll it down for 2. Then you're gonna go back into that intro where we go pop, sit it back, pop, sit it back, pop, sit into that hip, hold it right here, hip, hip, hold, hip, hip, hold, hip, hip, hold. Nice job. Then we're into this section, going opposition, arm to leg, then we roll it to the side, step to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, fly it up, 4, 2, 2, double right, double left, always going right, then left, right, 4 times, back it up right here, to the right, to the left, to the right, 4 heels, right here we go, the right, and left, and right, and left. Okay, I think we have all of our sections together. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the music. Let's just put it all together. Remember, the positioning of the hands really makes a big difference. So for example, on that one where we step to the front, I really want you to think about activating the back of that arm. This guy, really thinking about rotating all the way around the arm. All right, let's put it all together. Okay, all together.
I went insane and knew there's not much I could do. I saw him look at me, but then I looked to you. Just grab my hand, he'll understand. Let's dance like 1992. Girls, don't need nobody. 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 you. I felt the pain, I went insane and knew there's not much I could do. I saw him look at me, but then I looked to you. Just grab my hand, he'll understand. Let's dance like 1992. Girls, don't need nobody. 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 Girls, don't need nobody.
And that is how we do it.